The state of the climate on our expansive, diverse planet is one of the most important and ever-changing factors in our lives as humans. As time continues, society progresses in many regards, but recently this progression in technology and human design has led to the prediction of a widespread regression for our climate. The rise in levels of greenhouse gases has led to recent trends of an increasingly warm climate that could lead to extreme weather events in the near future. Studies have shown that this warming bears the threat of higher intensity weather events, specifically tropical cyclones across our Earth's large bodies of water. In recent AR5 consensus projections for higher wind speeds for tropical cyclones were made, which could spell disaster of epic proportions for the United States Gulf Coast. This region of the United States has a high density population near the coast, specifically in New Orleans. Past hurricanes have done major damage to the city when Hurricane Katrina wiped out a massive number of homes and property. With more intense hurricanes imminent in the future, the way people prepare is extremely important. The impacts of these trends could cause the destruction of critical infrastructure in New Orleans. Higher wind speeds and increased storm surges could make repairing even more difficult. New Orleans is quite prone to flooding, so the city infrastructure includes seawalls and levees to mediate the damage of flooding. The Department of Homeland Security determines that these levees were at high risk of overflowing, and many other red flags were raised about the quality of preparation done by the state. The levee system had a major breakdown once the hurricane hit, and this failure led to massive destruction. In preparation of Hurricane Katrina, the city decided to begin evacuation 20 hours before landfall instead of a recommended 3 days. The city of New Orleans had a major failure to correctly prepare for the hurricane. With an increased threat, the city will need to reconstruct a better levee system and make sure they have a more proactive plan for hurricane response and preparation. The city will also need to improve their governmental organization to prevent other lapses. The projections for extreme weather events in the future should impact how humans make decisions now in order to prevent future disaster.